What's up, guys? What's going on? Today we're going to talk about Solana and what is it? What does Solana do? Let's get into it. In the world of cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology, Solana stands out as a powerful player. Imagine a super fast highway for digital transactions, where cars zoom by without traffic jams or high tolls. That's Solana in a nutshell. It's a blockchain platform designed to make decentralized applications (dApps) run smoothly and efficiently. Launched in 2020, Solana aims to solve one of the biggest problems in blockchain, like slow speeds and high costs, make it accessible for everyday users and big businesses alike. As of 2025, it's one of the top blockchains, powering everything from finance to gaming. Solana was founded by Anatoly Yakovenko, a former engineer at Qualcomm, who wanted to create a blockchain that could handle massive scale without sacrificing speed. The project started in 2017 and its mainnet went live March 2020. What makes Solana unique is its innovative approach to time and consensus. Unlike traditional blockchains, they rely solely on proof of stake or proof of work. Solana uses a combination of proof of history. Proof of history is like a built-in clock that timestamps transactions, proving when they happened without needing constant checks from all nodes. This speeds things up dramatically. Paired with POH is a Tower BFT, Solana's version of Byzantine fault tolerance, which helps the network agree on transactions quickly and securely. Other tech like Gulfstream pushes transactions to validators early, reducing wait times, and Turbine breaks data into smaller packets for faster speed. The result? Solana can process up to 65,000 transactions per second, with block times as low as 400 milliseconds. That's way faster than Ethereum's 15 to 30 transactions per second or Bitcoin's 7 transactions per second. Plus, fees are tiny, often less than 0.0025 per transaction, making it affordable for users worldwide. Solana is energy efficient too. It runs on proof of stake, where validators stake Sol tokens to secure the network instead of using energy-hungry mining. Each transaction uses about as much power as a couple of Google searches, keeping its carbon footprint low. The network is decentralized with thousands of independent nodes validating transactions, which make it resistant to censorship and hacks. So what does Solana actually do? At its core, it's a foundation for building and running dApps. Think of it as an operating system for decentralized web. Developers use Solana to create apps that don't rely on central servers, ensuring transparency and security. One big area in decentralized finance where users can lend, borrow, or trade assets without banks. Platforms like Serum and Radium on Solana handle billions in trades daily, thanks to low fees and speed. Another hot use case is non-fungible tokens, NFTs. Solana has become a go-to for digital art, collectibles, and music NFTs because minting them is cheap and quick. Magic Eden, a popular NFT marketplace, is built on Solana and sees massive volume. Gaming is booming too. Games like Star Atlas uses Solana for in-game economies where players own and trade assets as NFTs. Players are growing. Payments are a growing focus. Solana Pay lets businesses accept instant USDC stablecoin payments with near zero fees and no environmental impact. In 2025, it's integrated with Shopify, allowing millions of online stores to use it seamlessly. Big names like Google, Meta, and Stripe are partnering with Solana for tools and integrations, showing its push into mainstream adoption. The Sol token is the feel of the ecosystem. It's used to pay for fees, stake for rewards, and govern the network. As of 2025, Sol's value has surged due to network upgrades and institutional interest. With predictions, it could hit $600 or more. The ecosystem is vibrant, with thousands of projects in DeFi web and even enterprise solutions for businesses. Solana offers low latency for real-time apps like supply chain tracking or AI-driven services. Of course, Solana isn't perfect. It has faced outages in the past due to high demand overwhelming the network. Though upgrades in 2025 like Fire Dancer, a new validator client, aim to fix that. Some critics worry about centralization because a few big validators hold a lot of the stake. But the team is working on decentralizing further. Looking ahead, Solana's 2025 roadmap includes network enhancements for even better scalability, more institutional tools, and ecosystem growth. It's positioning itself as the NASDAQ on blockchain for fast settlements in finance and beyond. With cross-chain bridges, it connects to other blockchains, expanding its reach. In simple terms, Solana is like the speedy, eco-friendly engine driving the future of the internet. It makes blockchain practical for real-world use, from buying a coffee with crypto to building global apps. Whether you're a developer, investor, or just curious, Solana shows how blockchain can be fast, cheap, and fun for everyone. As it evolves, it could bring Web3 to billions, changing how we interact online. Well, that concludes this video, guys. I hope you guys got something from it. Let me know if you are someone who's interested in Solana or holds Solana. Yeah, let me know if you have anything to add in the comments section. And also check out my affiliate links down in the description, guys, and on the homepage of this YouTube channel. If you want to get a ledger device to secure your crypto, I prefer that. If I have a large amount of crypto, I would like to store it on a ledger device, cold storage. Basically get it off the exchange, and then you're in control of your keys for your crypto. So if you want to get a ledger, there's a link down in the description there. It's an affiliate link. And also, if you want to get some free crypto, you can get that at Coinbase or Uphold, BTCC, BitTrue, or Pionex. And if you deposit crypto there, you can get free crypto also. I think Coinbase will give you $20 on a deposit of, it's either $30 or $20 only, and you get $20 free. Uphold, I believe you deposit $100, you get $20. Anyway, check out the links. We'll check out the link. There's actually it's one link. It's called simple.bio link, and it's down there in the description. And then you click that, and it has all the links. So go check it out, guys. Get free crypto. Secure your crypto today with a Ledger hardware wallet. Also, there's another link on that where you could actually get a loan with your crypto. It's basically you send them collateral. and then they send you a certain percentage of that collateral back in USDT, right? Which you can just use to buy more crypto. That's what I do. So if you want to check it out, it's called Coin Rabbit, and I trust them because I've been using them for years. You know, when I send collateral, they instantly send that USDT to me, and you know, whenever I wanted to settle the loans and get the collateral back, that came almost instantly also. So I highly trust personally Coin Rabbit, but you know, check it out. Do your research. Link is down in the description. Just go to simple.bio link. Alright guys, have a good day. Smash up the like and share out the video. Peace out guys. Take care.